Failures of Titan 34Ds in 1985 and 1986 might have accelerated Titan's demise. But instead, a more catastrophic disaster brought the space program to an immediate halt.
Произойдет примерно через 4 часа после старта. И вот старт. Красочное зрелище. Но что-то, кажется, идет не так. Что-то не так. Кажется, это будет катастрофа. И вот ракета направляется к Земле и распадается в воздухе. И взрыв. Итак, прямо в прямом эфире состоялся неудачный запуск ракеты «Протон-М» с 3 спутниками российской навигационной системы ГЛОНАСС на борту.
Four, three, two, one, zero. We have ignition and liftoff from Cape Canaveral Air Station of the Air Force Delta II launch vehicle carrying the new GPS-2R satellite. We have had an anomaly. We need to secure the area. Once again, we had liftoff of Delta II launch vehicle from Cape Canaveral Air Station, and we just had a problem with the vehicle on the pad.
Nine, 8, 7, 6. We have main engine start. 4, 3, 2, 1, and liftoff. Liftoff of the 25th Space Shuttle mission, and it has cleared the tower.
Control program. Roger, roll, Challenger. Good roll program confirmed. Challenger now heading downrange. Engines beginning throttling down now at 94%. Normal throttles for most of the flight, 104%. We'll throttle down to 65% shortly. Engines at 65%, 3 engines running normally, 3 good fuel cells, 3 good APUs. Velocity 2,257 feet per second. Altitude 4.3 nautical miles. Downrange distance 3 nautical miles. Engines throttling up. 3 engines now at 104%. Challenger, go at throttle up. Challenger, go at throttle up. 1 minute 15 seconds. Velocity 2,900 feet per second. Altitude 9 nautical miles. Downrange distance 7 nautical miles.